everyone, welcome to Sachu's Online Mathematics. Let's solve this question. Subtract 444 in base 5 from 425 in base 6. There's a problem here. The problem is that these numbers are not in the same base. You can only subtract numbers or add numbers in the same base. Wow, I think that's a challenge, right? Okay, let's see what we can do. Alright, leaving your answer in base 5. Oh, so we're asked to leave our answer in base 5. That means after the subtraction, our answer should be in base 5. Oh wow, we're thinking of this problem being a bit challenging because they are in different bases, and now they are telling us to leave our answer in base 5. Another wahala. Okay, let's see what we can do. So what do you think we can do about it? All right. And now I think that we can convert the two numbers to base 10 for them to be in the same base. So I think let's convert the both numbers to base 10. So solution. So I'm going to convert the both values to base 10. So let me start with 444 in base 5. Let's first convert to base 10. Alright? So by converting these two numbers in base 10, we can do the subtraction in base 10. So I'm using expanded form method. When converting from other bases to base 10, there are two methods we have. You can use any of these two methods. And what are these two methods? Expanded form method and repeated multiplication method. So I'm using expanded form method. In using expanded form method, you number the digits. We have 3 digits here, 1, 2, 3. Numbering the digits with the values 0, 1, 2, 3, starting from the back, 0, 1, 2. Okay, then I'll multiply each of the digits by the base. 4 times 5, starting from the first digit, 4 times the base, then raised to power 2. Then raising the top value as a power of the base, plus 4 times 5 raised to power 1, plus 4 times 5 raised to power 0, 4 times 5 raised to power 2, plus 4 times 5 raised to power 1, plus 4 times 5 raised to power 0. So that will have 4 times 5 raised to power 2 is 25. That's 5 times 5. Plus 4 times 5 raised to power 1 is 5. Plus 4 times 5 raised to power 0 is 1. Any number raised to power 0 is equal to 1. Any base raised to power 0 is equal to 1 according to 0 index of indices. So we have equal to 4 times 25 is 100, plus 4 times 5 is 20, plus 4 times 1 is 4. Let's add. So 100 plus 20 is 120. 120 plus 4 is 124 in base 10. So that is the outcome in base 10. Now let me use repeated using repeated multiplication method. Now, like I said, we have two methods of converting from other bases to base 10. So we have expanded and repeated. I'm going to convert this same number again to base 10 using the repeated multiplication method, and I'll still get 124. So I have 444 in base 5. Then using repeated multiplication method, you bring down the first digit and multiply it by the base, which is 5. That gives us 20. Then the next thing is to bring down the second digit and add. That gives us 24. Then before you bring down the last digit, I have to multiply 24, which is a sum, by the base again. 5 times 4 is 20. 0 carry 2. 5 times 2 is 10, plus that 2 is 12. That is 120. Then bring down the last digit and add. That is 124 in base what? 10. Now, let's go back here. You see, that's exactly what we got here. So you can tell me which of these two methods that is very simple, that is the simplest. All right, let me explain this second method. only the first digit multiplies the base. The rest are being added respectively. You see that I only multiply the first digit, which is 4, by the base. Then the second digit is added. The third digit is also what? Added. But before adding the other digit, you must have to carry out multiplication, right? So let me explain this again. Bring down 4, which is first digit, multiply by the base, which is 20. Then bring down the second digit and add. 20 plus 4 is 24. Then before I brought down the last digit, the third digit, I had to multiply 24 by 5, which is the base, giving me 120. Then 120 plus 4 is 124. Now let me convert the next number. Alright, then let's convert 4 to 5 in base 6. I'll use expanded. I'll use expanded form method again. So number the digits 0, 1, 2, just like I explained earlier. Then multiply 4 times 6 raised to power 2 plus 2 times 6 raised to power 1 plus 5 times 6 raised to power 0. So that will be 4 times 6 square means 6 times 6, which is 36, plus 2 times 6 raised to power 1 is 6, plus 5 times 6 raised to power 0 is 1. Then we have 4 times 36. 36 times 4. 4 times 6 is 24. Then you have 4 carry 2. Then 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. That's 144. Plus 2 times 6 is 12. Plus 5 times 1, 5. Let's add. Then we have 144 plus 12 is 156. Then plus 5 give us 161. So we have 161 in base 10. All right. Then let me try using using repeated multiplication method. All right, I'll still get that 161. Okay, sorry, I'll still get the 161. So we have 425 in base 6. So like I said, bring down the first digit, multiply by the base, which is 24. Then bring down the second digit and add, which is 26. Then multiply 26 by 6. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 carry 3. 6 times 2 is 12. Plus that 3 is 15. That's 156. Then bring down 5 and add. That will give us 161 in base 10. Alright, so 156 plus 5 is 161. That's exactly what I got here. So you can either use expanded form method or repeated multiplication method to convert from other bases to base 10. Now that both numbers are in base 10, so let me do the subtraction. Let me do it here. Now, let's subtract. So we have 161 minus 124 in base 10 now. Both numbers are in base 10. So 1 minus 4 cannot. Borrow 1 from 6. Here remains what? 5. So add the 1 here is 11. So 11 minus 4. 11 minus 4 is 7. Right? 11 minus 4 is 7. Then 5 minus 2 is 3. Then 1 minus 1 is 0. So that is 37 in base 10. That is the difference. But we are not asked to leave the answer in base 10. We are asked to leave our answer in base 5, right? Yes. So what do? I have to convert this outcome in base 10. I have to convert our difference in base 10 to base 5. Let's quickly do that. Now, converting 37 in base 10 to base 5. Even if you're asked to leave it in any other base, then you have to change this 37 in base 10 to the required base. So we have 37. Then since you have to convert it to base 5, you use 5 to divide. Is that okay? I hope you are grabbing it. Alright. So 5 divide 37 is 7 remainder 2. Then 5 divide 7 is 1 remainder 2. Then 5 divide 1 cannot. So we write 0. This 0 means that 5 cannot divide 1. Then this 1 should be brought down as remainder. So you now collect the remainders from down to up, which is 1, 2, 2 in base 5. Therefore, 4, 2, 5 in base 6 minus 4, 4, 4 in base 5 is equal to 1, 2, 2 in base 5. And that is our final answer. So if you like what I've just done, please do well to click the like button, comment and share. Please, I beg you, in the name of God. Follow me on my Facebook page. I beg you, follow me on my Facebook page, which is Choose Online Mathematics. Search for it, Choose Online Mathematics, and follow me for more interesting videos. Please as well, please go to YouTube and search for Choose Online Mathematics. That is my YouTube channel, Choose Online Mathematics, and subscribe to enjoy more interesting and fascinating videos on math tutorials and physics tutorials. If you have any question, any problem in mathematics or physics, you can send it to me on any of those platforms, my Facebook page or my YouTube channel. Come under the comment section of any of my videos and drop the question, then I will gladly solve it for you. All right, please do well to share this video, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then follow me on my Facebook page. See you in my next video. Bye bye.